Next is example 3.4. In this question, the cable subjected to weight of 300 pounds and it is in equilibrium. Therefore, we need to determine tension developed in each cable. First of all, we need to know what is force involved for this question when subjected to 300 pounds. So the weight is 300 pounds. So we're going to have a reaction of FP on cable B, FC hook on C, and FD hook on D. As you can see in here, certain angles are given and we know our axis X, Y, and Z. Now we need to write those forces in Cartesian form. So we go for FP first. For this FB, we know the force exactly on x-axis. Therefore, FP is FBI. Next, we go for FC. As you can see here, angles are given. So first, we have to resolve FC according to 60 degree given. So we're going to resolve into Z direction. So we name that force as FCZ. Then we have to resolve FC into F prime. So here we can simplify FC into here. So our Fz and F prime, and the angle given is 60 degree. Remember this, when we have F force and angle theta is given, we can resolve into this direction as F cos theta, and in this direction F sin theta. Now we can find our FCZ and F prime. So our FCZ is FC sin 60 degree, and our F prime is FC cos 60. Once we get our F prime, we can resolve into X direction as FCX and into Y direction as FCY, and the angle given there is 30 degree. As we can see here, angles given is 30. So we resolve as FCX here and as FCY. So we resolve F prime into X direction. So we get FC. FC is negative F prime sin 30. Negative because this on negative axis for X. So we get our FCX equal to negative 0.25 FC. Next, we resolve our F prime to Y axis. So FCY. F prime cos 30 degree. So we get our FCY is 0.433 FC. Then we need to write our FC in Cartesian form because we already resolve it into X, Y, and Z. So we write in Cartesian form, FC is FC negative 0.25I plus 0.433J plus 0.866K. We done on FC, then we have FT. As you can see here, from x-axis is 120 degree, from z-axis 45 degree, and angles here given is 60. When alpha, beta, and gamma given, so we can write in this form. So now we need to identify what is angle for alpha, beta, and gamma. Please remember, for the alpha, the angle is from x positive. So here our alpha is 120 degree. Then we need to find our beta. Beta from positive y-axis. So this is positive y-axis side. So angles is from here. So this is angle for beta. So angle for beta is 180, because for straight line is 180 minus by 60, so we get our beta is 120. Next, we need to find our gamma as given here. From positive z-axis, this is our gamma, 45 degree. So substitute those alpha, beta and gamma in this form, so we can write our FD in Cartesian form. So this is the answer. Also, don't forget the weight. The weight is given here is 300 pounds. So that's exactly on z-axis, but that on negative side. Therefore, W is negative 300 K. In the equilibrium, we know when we combine all the forces, we get it 0. So we combine all the forces, FP, FC, FD, and the weight is equal to 0. That means summation of Fx equal to 0, summation of Fy equal to 0, and summation Fz equal to 0. Next, we need to find what is summation of Fx, summation of Fy, summation of Fz. So for Fx, Fp is on x, this value is on x, also this value on x. Therefore, Fp minus 0.25 Fc minus 0.5 Fd. That for equation 1. Then for Fy, 0.43 Fc minus 0.5 Fd equal to 0. That for second equation. Fz, 0.866 Fc plus 0.7071 Fd. Don't forget minus 300. So this for third equation. We have three equations, so we have to solve it. First, from equation 2, we get Fc. Then we get another value for 4. Substitute 4 into 3. Then we get Fd is 175.7 pounds. Then from there we can get our Fc. Once we substitute Fd into 4, then our Fc is 202.9 pounds. Then substitute those value into equation 1. We get our Fp is 138.6 pounds.